Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will provide you with a full guide on how to prevent someone from pinning messages in a Telegram group chat. If you want to have full control over the pinned messages in your group, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Once you're in the Telegram app, navigate to the group chat for which you want to prevent someone from pinning messages. Please note that you need to be an admin to access these settings, and the person you're muting should not be an admin. Step 3. Tap on the group's name at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to the group settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the members list until you find the person you want to prevent from pinning messages. Tap and hold on their name to reveal additional options. Step 5. Among the available options, tap on User's Permissions or a similar option related to user settings. Step 6. Inside the user permission settings, locate the option to enable or disable the ability to pin messages. Tap on it and disable the pin messages option. This will prevent the selected person from pinning messages in the group. By following these steps, you can easily maintain control over the pinned messages in your Telegram group chat. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.